Hello board members, my name is Sofia and I want to explain you why I feel different or special. I wasn't educated in a traditional family. I was raised by my mother and my grandmother. My father has always lived abroad. The short time we had to see each other, we used to travel to different countries and where he taught me to learn different cultures and languages. I play basketball in one of the best feminine clubs, which makes me feel so proud. And with a studentship, I couldn't get anything similar. My mother is one, because of the crisis, and because my mother is one of that crisis people called self-employed. So I'll have to pull the chestnut out of the fire by myself. And thank you so much, Eurofilters. Ya está.